In this video, I'm going to show you how to record expenses made on a personal card to your Zoho Books. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Smith and I am a Zoho Finance Partner at New Light Financial Solutions. Here at New Light Financial Solutions, we are on a mission to help demystify business finances as well as partner with as many business owners as possible to help them have a growing and more profitable business. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. Okay, so let's say that you've made a transaction for your business, but you used a personal card, and now you want to put that on your books. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you'll want to do is actually put the expense on your books. So under the purchases section in the menu over here, we're going to click the expenses option, and we're going to do a new expense. You can either use this little plus sign in the menu, or over here in the corner, you can click the new button. And you'll start by putting in the date of your expense and the account that it belongs to. So let's say that we went out for a meal, we took a client out for a meal, we used our personal card. Put in the amount that the transaction was for, and then you'll have to pick the correct paid through account. So there's two situations that you will potentially use here. So if you are putting money into the business and you're just going to put it in the business, you're going to use an owner's equity or an owner's contribution account, but it will be in this equities section. If you are an S Corp, just be mindful about the money you're putting in and taking out of the business. You might want to put it as a liability and you want to reimburse yourself. So you might decide to log this as kind of like a loan to yourself. So you would put this in a liability account, something like this one here that says due to owner. So then you can pay yourself back later. Regardless, the process of adding this expense is the same. You just have to pick the right account. So I'm going to select the due to owner so I can also show you how to log how to pay yourself back to remove this from the book. So we're going to click due to owner. We'll select our vendor, and then we're going to just click the save button. So this adds the expense to your books, and it adds it to the appropriate account. And I will show you how that shows up. So on your profit and loss, if you open that up, you should see the expense show up in the expense account that you logged that expense to. So here you can see meals and entertainment, the $74.11. And on your balance sheet, you will see this amount change whichever account you chose to log that payment from. So again, that will either be in an equity account, like an owner's contributions, or it'll be in a liability account like this due to owner. So you can see it right here. If I'm putting it in as equity, just as putting it in the business, you're done. You don't have to do anything else. If you're looking to pay yourself back, I will show you how to do that. So when it comes the time that you want to take the money back out, you go to the ATM, take it out, or you do some kind of ACH transaction, you will take that transaction, the withdrawal, and you will log this as an expense to the same account that you chose to begin with. So it'll say due to owner. So you're going to log an expense due to owner, and that will basically zero out what you did before. So we're just going to click save, and I'll show you how this looks on your books as well. So your profit and loss won't change. I'll even refresh this so you can see that, because the original expense got put to that expense account and it's still staying there. You can see there it is. And then your balance sheet, if I refresh this, that due to owners right there, it will disappear essentially. And on your balance sheet, you can see that that liability account is gone. If you were to open up the chart of accounts, you would see both the in and the out of the account. But at this point, you're done as well. So that's how you get a transaction added to your books that you paid from a personal card. You would do this for every transaction. There is a way to also add journal entries if you wanted to go that route, but I think this is pretty simple for those of you that are not familiar with journal entries. If you'd love more tips on how to unlock more cash, profit, and peace of mind in your business, I would love for you to sign up for our newsletter where we send out information to business owners just like you. The link to sign up for our newsletter will be in the description box. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.